Why does Yoda's code always crash? There is no try. So this joke didn't go down particularly well in the lecture theatre last year. I think half of the people didn't get it and half of the people didn't like it. But I'm going to try and explain it, which might make things even worse. So in Java, as we've seen previously, you use try-catch blocks to catch exceptions and stop your code crashing. And in Star Wars, when Luke Skywalker is considering trying to get his X-Wing fighter out of some swamp, he says that he'll try. And Yoda interrupts him and says, "Don't try. Do or do not. There is no try." References. Philosophers may call them signifiers. So this individual on the right here with the pipe, that's the philosopher Jacques Derrida. Now Derrida contributed to the understanding of certain deeply hidden philosophical presuppositions and prejudices in Western culture, arguing that the whole philosophical tradition rests on arbitrary dichotomous categories such as signifier, signified, mind, body. So the point of that rather laboured reading from Wikipedia is that when we talk about references and objects, we kind of have this dichotomy there as well. You have the reference that signifies an object but is not the object, and then you have the object itself, which occupies space on the heap in memory, which is a concrete instantiation of a class. So in summary, the signifier is like the reference and the signified is like the object itself. So this object on the left here was originally a tub of "I can't believe it's not butter." So this was a margarine that was quite popular, I think, in the 1990s. And they advertised by saying it tasted exactly like butter. And they had, video snippets of people looking astonished to find out what they were eating, in fact, was not butter. I've forgotten what the point of this was. The point of this is when you first start using references in Java, you might be forgiven for thinking they're exactly the same as pointers in C. So you might say, "I can't believe it's not a pointer." If you want to think about what a reference is like in Java from a C perspective, it's like a const pointer. It's a pointer that you cannot do arithmetic on.